Stop the scroll. I watched my dream happen for someone else and I did not clap. If I'm being honest, naiyak pa nga ako. Nagko-commute ako nun, bus, on my way to church. And ang saya kasi, yung piniplay na video sa bus was a concert of a band that I love. So I was having the time of my life. I mean, ang ganda ng music, everything's banging, everything was awesome. And I was closing my eyes and I was imagining I was performing with them as well or performing my songs. And then it hit me. Nandun sila. Nagko-commute ako. And I witnessed myself deflate. Bigla na lang ako nalungkot at naiyak na bakit sila pwede silang mangarap at maabot yung pangarap nila. Pero may mga taong katulad kong nangarap, nilaban naman, pero hindi talaga, pinagkaitan talaga nung pangarap na yun. And maybe you felt that too. You don't say it out loud. But nangarap ka rin, and you also watched other people live the life that you always wanted. But they're there, and you're not. For a long time though, I thought I was a failure. Like maybe, I just didn't have what it takes to become like that band dun sa pinanood ko sa bus. But here's what I did not realize back then. Napakaliit pala at napaka-kitted ng version ko of success. Kasi I thought success was being seen. But what if success is simply being faithful? I thought success was all about recognition. But what if success is about quiet responsibility? Alam mo yun, yung gigising ka sa umaga and you're preoccupied in how to make the life of your wife better today. You're always there, being there, witnessing every moment sa anak mo, being there for family, being there for friends, shepherding, teaching about how to live this life in a way that would honor God. I don't think these things are downgrades. I think they're equally a version of success. And honestly, I did not lower my version of success. I expanded it. And maybe you're in that place right now too. Yung unsure ka kung bakit nandito ka at hindi doon sa buhay na pinapangarap mo. What if you're simply being invited to something deeper? Not smaller, fuller, more meaningful. You see, I did not become who I thought I would be, but I didn't fail. I just learned what success really is.